Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone runs the required iOS and you have an Apple ID signed in. Once confirmed, download Widgetable from the App Store and open it. You'll see a short onboarding. Grant the basic permissions it asks for, like notifications and local storage, because Widgetable uses them to refresh content and show alerts. After granting permissions, sign in or create an account so the app can sync your widget configurations across devices. This readies you for placing your first widget. Now configure the widget layout and behavior inside Widgetable. You choose a widget size, small, medium, or large, because size determines how much information appears on your home screen. Then pick content sources and set a refresh interval. Shorter intervals update more often but use more battery. Customize appearance, theme, colors, and font size, and set tap actions so taps open the right app or shortcut. Use the in-app preview to fine-tune spacing and alignment until the widget looks and behaves exactly how you want. Finish by adding the configured widget to your home screen. Long press the home screen, tap the plus icon, find Widgetable, choose the size you configured, and add it. Position and hold to edit if needed. If the widget displays stale data, open Widgetable and force refresh or reassign the data source. Make sure background app refresh is enabled. If tapping fails, check settings Widgetable for permissions like notifications and background refresh. Then restart the device if problems persist. It resolves most lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.